If you missed Nvidia's run to 850, you're probably telling yourself the AI trade is over. Wrong. You're just looking at the wrong stocks. See, while everyone's piling into triple-digit tech names, there are sub-$10 plays sitting right under Wall Street's nose with legitimate asymmetric upside for 2026. I'm talking about stocks where a 50% move isn't a moonshot, it's the base case, where analyst targets are sitting 100, even 170% above current prices. In the next 4 minutes, I'm breaking down 3 stocks under $10, an AI infrastructure play that's powering the data center boom, a biotech with a 170% upside target, and a copper miner that's already tripled, but might just be getting started. These aren't penny stock gambles. These are legitimate businesses with real catalysts. Let's get into it. Current price, $8.57. Analyst high target, $11.55. Here's the setup. Lumen owns over 450,000 route miles of fiber optic cable across the United States. And right now, they're sitting on a gold mine. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, the hyperscalers building AI infrastructure. They need fiber, massive amounts of fiber, and Lumen's already got it in the ground. They've announced multi-billion-dollar contracts to provide private fiber networks exclusively for AI workloads. We're not talking about consumer internet here. This is dedicated high-bandwidth connectivity for training large language models and running inference at scale. Here's why $11.55 is conservative. AI data traffic is growing exponentially. Every new GPT model, every AI product launch, every enterprise rolling out AI agents, all of it runs on fiber infrastructure. The 2026 catalyst is simple. As these hyperscaler contracts ramp up, Lumen's revenue accelerates. They've already got the infrastructure. Now it's just turning dark fiber into cash flow. The price action? We're at $8.57 with a clear path to double digits. If AI spending continues at this pace, and every indicator says it will, Lumen could gap up on any major contract announcement. The debt is real, but the runway is even more real. This is infrastructure for the AI economy, and Wall Street's finally starting to notice. Stock 2. AC Immune, ticker ACIU. Current price, $3.70. Analyst consensus target, $10. Let me be clear, this is high risk, high reward. But if you understand the biotech playbook, you know why this could explode. AC Immune is developing an Alzheimer's vaccine. Not a treatment you take after diagnosis, a vaccine that could prevent the disease entirely. Their lead candidate is in phase 2 clinical trials right now. And the data readouts expected in 2026 could be company defining. Here's the math. Alzheimer's affects 55 million people worldwide. The treatment market is worth hundreds of billions. Biogen and Eli Lilly have already proven that the market will pay for effective therapies. But AC Immune's approach is different. They're going after prevention. If their vaccine shows efficacy in trials, big pharma partnerships follow immediately. That's when the stock gaps. The 2026 catalyst? Trial data. If phase 2 results show the vaccine reduces amyloid plaques and cognitive decline, we're looking at a biotech re-rating overnight. Analysts have a $10 target. That's not hype. That's based on the probability-adjusted value of their pipeline if trials succeed. The risk? This is binary. Clean data? You're up 170%. Bad data? The stock craters. But at $3.70, the risk-reward is heavily skewed to the upside. This is a position-sizing play. Don't bet the farm, but don't ignore a potential 3-bagger sitting at sub $4. And here's the kicker. It's already tripled in a year, and just blew past previous analyst targets. So why is it still a buy? One word: copper. Taseko operates the Gibraltar Copper Mine in British Columbia, one of the largest open-pit copper mines in Canada. And copper is the unsung hero of the AI revolution. Data centers don't just need chips and fiber, they need copper. Power distribution, cooling systems, electrical wiring. A single AI data center uses thousands of tons of copper. Goldman Sachs is forecasting a structural copper deficit starting in 2026. Demand is exploding. Supply can't keep up because new mines take 10+ years to develop. The price action on TGB reflects this. It's tripled because the market's starting to price in the copper shortage. But here's why there's more upside. Copper futures are trending toward all-time highs, and Taseko's already producing at scale. Plus, they're advancing the Florence Copper Project in Arizona, a domestic low-cost operation that could come online and significantly boost production. The 2026 catalyst. Copper prices breaking $5 per pound as AI infrastructure spending hits $1 trillion globally. When copper runs, mining stocks amplify the move. Taseko's already proven it can rally. The question is whether you believe the copper supercycle is real. If you do, TGB at $7.63 is still early. There you have it. 3 stocks under $10 with real 2026 catalysts. Lumen at $8.57 with an $11.55 target, playing AI fiber infrastructure. ACIU at $3.70 with a $10 target, a 170% biotech moonshot if trials deliver. And Taseko at $7.63, riding the copper deficit that's fueling the AI build-out. These aren't tips. Do your own research. Check the balance sheets. Understand the risks. But if you're tired of watching big names run while you sit on the sidelines, this is where asymmetric upside lives in 2026. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe. We're tracking these plays all year, and you don't want to miss the next breakdown. Let's get it.